Hey guys, I got a package from Amazon. This should be my lighting equipment, and so I thought that I would share. The box is smaller than I expected, so just in case anybody's interested, I thought I would share it with you. It is. So this was very inexpensive. I was watching another YouTuber that shared this. I don't remember who that was. But I have like 2 big lights that I use, and it's still not enough. I have a desk in my den, and the den is just dark, even in the daytime. So anyway, I thought that I would add something else. So I will show you how this comes packaged. You're supposed to be able to change the lighting temperature. I want to say it says it has 10. No, okay, it says 3 color temperature. There's something about, there's 10 of something. All right. So here is the pertinent information. So it comes with a tripod, and then they have another option where you can get 2 lights. I was thinking, I probably don't need 2 lights. So like this is like $37, and I think 2 lights is something like $55, something like that. So this is like a remote for you to adjust the lighting and stuff. Here's the tripod. I want to say the person that had this says it will go up to 7 feet. And then there is a spot on it to hold your phone. And I know that there was a spot where you can do this. Yeah, either way. Like you can have this portrait style or landscape style. And I think you can even, have a little appendage to have your phone screwed in here. So, and they give you a little storage bag. Put it all away. All right. So this is just a little short video showing you guys what I picked up, just in case you're interested. When I looked at this on Amazon, it had really nice reviews, so I'm excited to try it. All right, that's it, guys. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.